BINI members nagbigay suporta for BINI Joanna's project Tabing Ilog the Musical. Present nga ang lahat ng BINI members sa pagtatanghal ni BINI Joanna as Ed during her opening night for Tabing Ilog the Musical. BINI Joanna being able to perform despite the hectic schedules during the 3 days concert The Grand Biniverse just 3 days ago ay nakakahanga. Watch the BINI girls' reaction after BINI Joanna's performance. So energetic, clapping, waving, so happy and very proud for BINI Joanna's achievements. Di na nga mapigilan ng mga Blooms na i-video ang mga tagpong ito. So cute lang ang mga BINI members, #1 fan ni BINI Joanna. Why presence really matters? Watch BINI Joanna's reaction with the girls, so happy after her performance. They also recreate their photo Tabing Ilog the Musical 2023 at ngayon 2024 na pinagbibidahan din ni BINI Joanna as Ed. BINI Joanna IG post from GBD to Tabing Ilog, from BINI Joanna to Eds, hindi mo malalaman na kaya mo kung hindi mo susubukan. I only had 1 day of rehearsal for this pero grabe lang ang pag-aalalay at suporta ng SJE Barkada para mairaos ko ang first show na ito. I literally had no rest after the concert pero hindi ko alam kapag nasa tabing ilog ako, may ibang energy akong nafe-feel, ibang klase na pahinga kaya pipiliin kong bumalik nang bumalik dito. Thanks for all the support from Tabing Ilog team, Blooms, and the ever-supportive BINI girlies.